With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question is modern periodic table is based on which of the following property of elements? Okay. So it is atomic number, atomic mass, electronegativity or electron affinity. Okay. So we have to know the modern periodic table is based on which property. Okay. So this is the modern periodic table image for reference. Okay. So if we look at this modern periodic table, we can see there are so many elements which are arranged in horizontal rows and vertical columns. The horizontal rows are called as periods and the vertical rows they are called as groups. Okay. So how are they arranged means, see for example hydrogen, it is having atomic number 1, and then helium is having atomic number 2, lithium is having atomic number 3, 4, boron is 5, carbon is 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9 and neon 10, and it keeps on going. Okay. So the modern periodic table is based on the atomic number property. Okay, so they are arranged in the increasing order of the atomic number. Why so means, so first we have to know what is mean by atomic number. So atomic number is nothing but the number of electrons or the number of protons which is present in an atom. Okay, say for example if we take lithium atom, it will be having 3 electrons and also 3 protons. Since most of the chemical reactions are based on either removal or addition of electrons, if the elements are arranged in that increasing order of the number of electrons, that is atomic number, the properties will also be increasing periodically. Okay, because most of the properties of elements are based on the number of electrons present in the atom. Okay, so the modern periodic table is based on the property of atomic number. Okay, so having this in mind, the modern periodic law has been derived. Okay, so what is the modern periodic law? It states that what is the modern periodic law? It states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Okay, both the properties are depending on the atomic numbers of the elements. Okay, so let us check the other options also. Atomic mass, no. Modern periodic table is not based on atomic mass. Only the Mendeleev's periodic table is based on atomic mass. Okay, so he arranged elements based on the increase in the atomic mass. But Mendeleev's periodic table has got some defects because, say for example, the isotopes are having different masses. Okay, so which means what, we have to place the isotopes at different positions in the periodic table, which will make the periodic table looks a lot bigger. That is one of the defects. Okay, so overcoming all these defects, modern periodic table has been derived based on increasing in the atomic number. Okay, so that is not the correct answer. So let us check the other options also. So what we have here, we have electronegativity. So electronegativity is just a property of an atom. Okay, so what is that property? Consider this example, hydrogen fluoride. Okay, so where hydrogen forms a single bond with fluorine atom. Okay, so this fluorine atom is highly electronegative, which means what, this fluorine is having the tendency to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself. Okay, so we all know this a bond is made up of 2 electrons. Okay, so fluorine being highly electronegative, what it will do, it will pull the 2 electron cloud towards itself. So while doing so, what will happen? The electron cloud will become like this. How? There will be a decrease in the amount of electron cloud present towards oxygen and increase in the amount of electron cloud present towards fluorine. So doing this process, this fluorine will attain a partial negative charge and partial positive charge. Okay, so this property is what is called as electronegativity, and it has nothing to do with the periodic table. Okay, and finally we have electron affinity. So what is electron affinity? So it can be represented as EA. So consider there is an element. Okay, so it is in its neutral gaseous state. So what are we going to do? We are going to add an electron to this atom. So in this process, it will become an X minus anion and some amount of energy will be released. Okay, so that particular energy is what is called as the electron affinity. Okay, so electron affinity is the energy released when an electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom in its isolated state. Okay, so again this is also nothing to do with the modern periodic table, it is just property of an element. Okay, so The correct answer for this question is already said, that is option A, atomic number. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.